Thanks for taking the time to join us again. In this situation, we're going to talk about a replacement cap and gasket kit. Now, this is designed specifically for property managers in mind, where inevitably over the course of time, you'll find that old louvered caps will have a missing louver or a broken louver, which then obviously requires a maintenance person to come out and replace that entire assembly. It's not always an easy thing to do. In many situations, this is caulked right up against the brick or the siding, or actually formed right in with a little bit of mortar. The inside connection, obviously you can only connect or disconnect when you're in the apartment building, which isn't always convenient during working hours when the tenant might be at work. So in this situation, what we've created is a cap and a gasket that will fit right over top of the old frame. What we'll ask you to do is to replace, or rather remove, each of the louvers. That gets left in place. You'll notice that the new kit comes with 2 different gaskets and a new louvered cap. In this particular situation, each of the gaskets are perforated to fit over top of the existing old frame. So really what we're doing is we're putting a gasket around the old frame. The new cap now will simply fasten right against the old cap. Now, you would do that by using the holes that are on the inside, where you're actually screwing right into the old cap as opposed to into the brick or into the mortar. The type of material that we use for the gasket is a closed cell foam. If I were to hold that in a bucket of water, it wouldn't absorb the water, so it really also eliminates the need for any caulking or to have the entire assembly taken apart or removed. You can do all of the work from the outside with simply 4 screws, 2 gaskets, and a new cap. Now, the new cap that comes with this kit is also polypropylene, much the same as all of our other caps. The louvers are actually cammed so they don't get stuck up inside of each other. By being polypropylene, it's rather flexible but sturdy, and being UV resistant, they won't break down. The cap can be painted, and it really makes it a nice clean installation for the property manager.